Hello friends, me Leepika Mundul. I just want to share my views with you all, my dear friends. My views on healthy mind, healthy life. It needs four domains mainly. One, mindfulness, that means paying attention to the experience in the present moment. Next, relating to the experience without judgment or resistance. Third one, compassion means relating to the experiences with the desire to alleviate suffering. Lastly, understanding the nature of both experience and experiencer, that means wisdom. For maintaining above mentioned domains smoothly in several crisis situations, we need to work out on the following activities which are very familiar to all of us also, like gardening, art, guided imagery, means help to imagine our own sweet memories or any mind refreshing thoughts with the guidance of other, with the presence of soothing music. Next, dance. Research done by me shows Rabindra Nritya has immense positive effect on enhancement of positive thinking. We can also dance according to our choice. Next one, playing music. That can also be very much effective. We can also sing with music. Last but not the least, it is mainly most important, that is meditation. So, how to meditate, which is very much essential to make our mind healthy as well as our body, our soul, our life. Friends, I just give you some instruction to you. Just try to follow. Sit straight in a comfortable position. Close your eyes. Take deep breath and exhale out slowly. During hands up, take breathe, and with hands down, breathe out gradually. Do it for 10 times. Each time means each round. That means this was complete of 3 rounds. It is known as Vastrika. Next, after completion of 3 complete rounds, we will go to feel our mind and control our mind with us in the 4th round. That is, we all feel our mind at our right shoulder in close eyes to elbow to palm, then left shoulder, then elbow to palm, then in leg, first right thigh, then knee, ankle, foot to lift as well. Means left thigh, left knee, left ankle and left foot. For that, we will go with our mind to our private part. From that, we will go to abdomen, then umbilicus, then chest, chin, tip of nose, eyes, forehead, ears, then as a whole face, and feel also our breathing activity. We can also feel breathing sound as well. In this way, we can do it for few minutes in starting phase and gradually can increase our timings. Any time of a whole day, we can do this when possible to give time